الفاسيليتيشن اللي جونا بلس بتعمله إنه basically بتسيرف على الكلاينت كل التايبس that they can easily pick from. The design community has become a family.
We're happy also that we're all together in one project, the Gouna Plus. By putting all the designers together, بيبقى فيه a variety for the client to look into.
أنا نيهال لهيتا.
أنا كريم الحيوان.
وإحنا Design Point. Actually, each project has to be dealt with in its own very unique, personalized way.
Gouna is a town, but it has enough space for every designer.
To give a smooth service is so important. When you're designing a coastal house, usually it's a very pleasurable experience. تعيز تتبسط. They need someone they can trust, someone they can hand the project to and take it back as a finished product.
as a أوله لآخره بالcontractor, بالfurniture, بالdesign. I think Gouna Plus بتلم كل الحاجات دي مع بعض through different experiences.
Well, this is actually what I feel with Gouna Plus. In 10-15 years time من النهارده, it will appear to be a collective effort. So we're very happy to be with Gouna Plus in its own very special way.